Today I'm going to be talking about stage 1 of an understanding by design template. And stage 1 is identifying the desired results. So in stage 1 we kind of start at the end, what we want the students to know, and in later stages we'll work our way back into the more specifics. So the first part of our template here is just basic information about the unit. It includes things like the subject, grade level, time frame to teach the unit, also things like the title of the unit, how it's going to be delivered, and then a brief summary of the unit. The next step, after we've done the basic information, is to find our standards or competencies. And to do that, we'd like to have some sort of professional organization to give us a basis for what we're doing. So in K-12 education, most states will have state standards. There are national standards. Another good place to look is Advanced Placement Curriculum through the College Board has excellent standards, as does the International Baccalaureate programs. And you're going to then write the code for the standards or competencies down, and then what they are next to that. The next step is transfer, and these are things you'd like the students to be able to do independently, either outside the classroom environment, for example, in a real-world situation, or at least in a situation that is different than how it was taught in the classroom. Also, be sure to include the competency codes off to the right in the transfer section. The next step is having meaning for the unit. Meaning is broken down into two categories, essential questions and understandings. Essential questions are questions without a simple yes or no answer that should prompt deeper understanding of the material for the students. Next is understandings. Understandings are conclusions or inferences you'd like the students to be able to make about the unit. And again, you're going to include the competency codes from the competency section off to the right. The last step is acquisition. And acquisition includes knowledge and skills. Knowledge are simply the basic facts and concepts a student should know, and skills are what skills they should be able to use. For example, citing a piece of research in an essay would be an example of a skill. And that's the end.